Hello, loudspeaker owner. Surely you don't want your speaker driver rubber surround part break. That's why today I'm showing you how Audiophiles ensure their speakers last a lifetime. Last video I showed you how to clean dirty speakers, how to clean dirty speaker fabric grills, and how to freshen a loudspeaker enclosure. The first rule for long-lasting speakers is not to expose them to direct sunlight, as UV light damages the color of the enclosure and makes the speaker surround rubber hard, which will tear over time. It is therefore advisable to treat the surround rubber with silicone spray once a year, which prevents the rubber from becoming hard. This spray is specifically designed for rubber and can often be found in car department of Home Depots, as this product is used to treat car door rubbers. The first task is to clean the speakers of dust and dirt with a damp cloth. Then wipe the speaker with a dry cloth, as before applying the silicone spray, the speaker must be completely clean and dry. Once you have the product, spray it on a microfiber cloth or paper towel and apply it evenly to the moving rubber surround. Massage it into the silicone thoroughly so that the silicone liquid gets into all the pores of the rubber. As you can see, this process also removes dirt from the rubber. After a few minutes, you can play some music to get the rubber to work. Once a year with this simple speaker maintenance, you'll make sure your speakers work like new for years to come. This tutorial can be done for home, car, and portable Bluetooth speakers. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to post them below this video. But for now, I wish a long life to your loudspeakers.